What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with mikeydailycarry, and I'm back with another EDC POV. What am I carrying this week? Starting off with the left belt loop here, I got my regular key setup, couple highlights. I got the Exceed Designs carabiner in titanium. I also have this S-beaner right here by Key Unity. Hosting it, I got an Olight IR2 Pro flashlight, 2 modes here. Charges via USB-C, which I absolutely love. And I also have a whistle and a tie pick by DailyCarryCo. Nothing too fancy, that always just chills right here on this loop here. In this left pocket, I have the Bard 2.0 in multicam black by Unlucky Leather Co. It is hosting my TPT slide, and that right there is a blade that I actually put on, super sharp blade. And I also have a Big Eye Design bolt action pen with a Time Mascus bolt right there, which I switched out to be left hand compatible. Go lefties. And then I also have my Olight i3T in carbon fiber. I went with this little black theme for this week. And I also have my pry bar by Big Idea Design. Good little magnet fidget right here on the back as well. And my knife that I have in here is going to be a lefty Spyderco PM2 in S30V. Absolutely love this thing. It is oriented to left hand, so that way this compression lock is on this back side if I'm holding it via left hand. And that is what I have in this left pocket, and put that right back in there. On my mag pocket, which by the way, these are also 511 pants. These are the Defender Flex, not jeans, they're just Defender Flex pants. In the mag pocket, I have my Leatherman Wave Plus, and this is the black version. I also have multicam black skins on here from Rip's Garage Tech. Also added that pocket clip, and that is sitting in my mag pocket. In the back left pocket, I have the Cruiser 5.0, which is a collaboration between me and Mike Cruz. It's the multicam black variant, if you can see here, including the Velcro, that's multicam black. And I have this laced up with the birds, baby. That's right, these are high quality epoxy patches, 2 by 3 inches by Ken Walker Designs. Go Birds, we are still the champs, giving you a daily friendly reminder. That is in the back left pocket. In the right side here, suspended on this right belt loop, as always, I have my AirPods Pro 2 in the green moss Andar case. In my fifth pocket, I just have some chapstick. Got to stick with the Vaseline, baby. And then on the back side here, I don't have anything on the mag pocket, but in the back right pocket, I do have a Hank here. Got some topographical designs there by Awesome Hank Gear. And they also have this little rivet here, which is titanium, which I absolutely love. That is what is in my pockets. Now on my wrist, this right here is the Dark Bayou by Monterey Watches. If you use MikeyBA, you get 25% off this bad boy. I also got it laced up with a NATO strap, and that is what your boy is carrying for this week. What are you carrying? Wait. Before I end this video, I actually want to show you what bag I'm carrying this week as well. And this right here is the CT15 Patchaholic with the side pockets. I really love this bag, obviously, because I can host all my patches. So real quick rundown of what I got here. I got the GWA Eagles custom patch. This was gifted to me by my boy Dawkins EDC. Appreciate you, big guy. And this right here is the Carry Culture patch by Carry Culture. This is a Max Edition patch. This is a Zon patch that I sell. This is a pocket fill. This right here is Warrior Crest. These two right here on the sides, Warrior Crest. This one right here is Mike Cruz and MikeyDC. And then these are my patches right here, Big Idea Design. This is a collab patch by me and Mike Cruz. Ancient Mew patch by Green Wolf Tactical. Another custom epoxy patch, high quality by Ken Walker Designs. Antiquated EDC. Another pocket fill patch, another pocket fill patch, and Data Crew. That's what I got on for this setup. What are you carrying today?